1994 Chevy 350 long bed. Sierra, not Sierra, Silverado, or just C1500, either or. Original converter there. Wise down to a single converter there. Then 3-inch pipe, we ran new 3-inch pipe into a FLOWMASTER Super 10. Part number on it is 842515, right there. There'll be a link in the description for it, guys. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. There's the muffler. It was all rotted out. It's all original. As you guys can see, aftermarket muffler, aftermarket tailpipes. But that mid pipe was original. So we took it all off and dumped it, because why not? We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, 1995 Chevy Silverado. 95. I asked him. He said 95.
You just said 95. Whatever.
It is 95. Get out of here. 1995 Z71 off-road package. He's gonna lift it. He's gonna do a lot. He's gonna redo the whole truck. This is his baby. So what we got done on it? Factory converter, factory pipe. Then he wanted a MAGNAPAC setup, so we put him a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPAC right there. 3-inch tailpipe, massive out the back, custom bent into a dual tip, 4-inch right there. There'll be a link in the description for it also. Came out really clean, really nice, as you guys can see. There's the old muffler, had an old set of duals from back in the day. It all rotted out. It's about 7 years old. That's when FLOWMASTER was good and nice, before it was sent to China. Anyways, now it's built in China, not in California anymore. There's a part number on the MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPAC 10416. There will be a link in the description, and support MAGNAFLOW because they're made in the USA. America! And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. Look, we put a smile on his face. Again? Yeah, it sounds good. Here's sound decibels. Right at 97. For a 94 with almost 200,000 miles, that truck is clean. Yeah, I like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ooh, that's fancy. Juanissimo, what do you think? Oh, he gives it a thumbs up. He approves. Nice thing about MAGNAFLOW, it's quiet at idle. See? When it idles, it's quiet. Give it gas. You give it up, it fires up. Here's sound decibels. Again. That's funny, my voice is louder than the exhaust. When I talk, it's 102. Go ahead and back it up. Really nice. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. got MagnaPack, 3-inch pipe, dual tip, 95 Z71. Oh yeah, beast mode. Enjoy, guys. That sounds so good.